Hello and welcome to day 44 of the 120 days video tutorial on Victor Shamaki. So today we are going to look at how to do crawling text. Imagine you have maybe watch a news and you see that they're writing breaking so number of armed robbery or crime or airplane crash and all of that. And I see it's scroll down, right? So that's what we'll be doing today. So to do that, you quickly just come down here and click on the text icon, and then you place it on this place. Then I have a PowerPoint, a Microsoft Word that I have here. I just a randomly generated, so I'll just copy it and I'll take it back to the to the Premiere Pro. Sorry. So I'll just paste it. So now the text is long because I've done something with this, so I'm just going to drag it down, and then I'm going to click and then go to essential graphics. Now on essential graphics, I'm just going to reduce the size of this text because it's too big, so reduce it to like yeah, let's leave it at 30. So adjust it. So let's say this is how I want it to roll, right? So once you've done that, the next is to expand your text a bit. Now, next thing you want to do is to come on this text and then turn off this source. And then once you have this, the next thing you want to do is to click on this position. Then you move this all to the right. So once you've done that, you now take this somewhere else. Either you take it to the end or something. Just take it maybe to the middle anywhere. Then once you've done that, you will now begin to drag it and move it to go with you. Now I'm just going to explain something. See that it has moved up a bit, right? Yes. That's because when you're using your hand to do this movement, you'll be found of making mistake. So once you've been able to click and to drag it, the next thing is to hold shift so that it will take you along that line. You see that I'm going. So but before you move out, you will have to, now before you go to the next one to click like this again, you click first, then hold the shift. So you now keep moving. I will do that once more, then I will fast forward the video. So hold it first, like you have to use your mouse. Click first here before you hold shift. Now, without you holding shift, this is what it will do. You see that it will just drill you up, you see that the way it drills. But with the shift, though I'm already making mistake, but with the shift inside, you can see that with the shift inside, you'll be able to hold, then move. So I'm going to just pause the video and come back once I'm done so that we'll see the final. So I've been able to take it all to the end. Now there are some inconsistency with what I do, but just to show you and all what you can do. So let's take it back and play it so that we can see. So I click on play and then let's see. Now that's because you can see that I have, you will see that it will go up, go down just inconsistently, but that is not a problem. With mastery, you'll be able to do that perfectly with time. So you can see that it is scrolling up. Now, if I reduce the size of this text, the speed will increase. So you see that. So basically, this is how you can do a crawling text in Premiere Pro. Previously, there used to be the roll and the crawl tool on the previous version, like I think Premiere Pro 20. I didn't notice that when they removed it, only for me to check in 2023 and other versions and realize that it's no more. Alright, so, but this is how you can do it now, pending when they were going to give us another update. But once they do update us on that regard, I will definitely update this community. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. That's what keeps me going, and I wish to see you join this train. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.